Hey everyone! Have you ever been using a bot, setting up a new automation tool, or trying to link your account to a third-party app, and it asks you for your Telegram ID? If you're sitting there looking at your profile thinking, wait, where do I even find that? You are definitely not alone. It's a super common piece of info to need, but Telegram hides it a little bit. Don't worry though, I'm going to show you how to grab your unique ID number in just a few seconds. Let's dive right in. The absolute fastest and easiest way to find your ID is by using a dedicated utility bot built right into Telegram. Open up your app and head over to the global search bar. Type in @userinfobot. Make sure you're picking the official one. Once you open the chat with the bot, all you have to do is hit Start or send any random message. Instantly, the bot is going to reply with a clean text block containing your account details. Right there, you'll see your first name, your username if you have one, and a line that says ID, followed by a string of numbers. That exact number is your permanent Telegram user ID. Now, what happens if @userinfobot is down or acting up for some reason? No worries, there are a backup option. You can use other popular utility bots like @MissRoseBot if you happen to run a group chat. With Rose, for example, you can just add her to a private group or message her directly and type the command /ID. She'll instantly spit back your numerical ID on the screen. Copy that number down, save it somewhere safe, and you're good to go. And that is literally it. Now you've got your unique ID ready to paste wherever you need it for your bots and integrations. If this quick tutorial saved you some time today, hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you need a guide on finding channel or group IDs next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.